Finding the best camping kettle for open fire can make or break a quiet morning at camp, especially when all you want is hot coffee without hassle. The best camping kettle for open fire is one that handles direct flame, heats fast, and stays tough on rough trips. I've used a few while camping across US state parks, and durability matters more than fancy features when you're cooking over wood or charcoal. After years of outdoor testing and real camp use, I know what actually works and what fails fast. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Bulin Camping Kettle 2.2-liter Large Portable Tea Kettle. The Bulin Camping Kettle 2.2-liter Large Portable Tea Kettle is a great choice for group trips. I like how fast it boils over an open fire or stove. The large 2.2-liter volume is perfect for coffee or tea for 2 or 3 people. It saves time in camp. The anti-scald handle feels safe and easy to grip, even when the kettle is hot. It is also very light for its size. Packing it is simple with the carry bag. The aluminum body heats fast, but can dent if packed rough. For the price, it feels practical, simple, and reliable for camping, hiking, and picnic use. Number 4. GSI Outdoors Glacier Stainless Steel Tea Kettle. The GSI Outdoors Glacier Stainless Steel Tea Kettle feels made for simple camp mornings. I like how light it feels in my pack, yet it never feels fragile. The Glacier steel body heats fast and spreads heat evenly, which helps when cooking over a small camp stove or open flame. The handle folds down for travel, then locks up firmly with fold lock handle when pouring. That makes it easy to use with gloves on. The short spout pours clean and controlled. For solo trips or 2 people, the size feels just right. It also works well in an RV or even at home. The main drawback is capacity. 1 quart goes fast with groups. Still, for backpackers and weekend campers, it's tough, compact, and dependable. This kettle earns its spot in a lightweight camping setup. Number 3. 10 to 6 picks Camping Kettle for Boiling Water. The 10 to 6 picks camping kettle for boiling water feels like a simple, no-nonsense camp essential. I've used it on quick weekend trips, and the size works well for coffee, tea, or meals for 1 or 2 people. It sits steady over flames thanks to open fire safe, which gives peace of mind at camp. The steel feels solid, yet it packs down easily with folding handle that saves space in a backpack. Pouring is smooth, with no messy splashes. I also like that there's no plastic taste at all. Boiling time is reasonable for its size. The main limitation is capacity for groups. 5 cups is fine, but not ideal for families. Still, for hikers, backpackers, and minimalist campers, it's reliable, affordable, and easy to live with on the trail. Number 2. Fire Mample Antarcti Portable 1-liter Camping Kettle. The Fire Mample Antarcti Portable 1-liter Camping Kettle feels made for simple camp life. I've used it on short hikes and quiet bushcraft trips, and it fits easily in my pack. The size is just right for coffee, tea, or boiling water at camp. It handles flames well thanks to open fire safe construction, so I never worry using it over wood or coals. The build feels solid, yet it stays easy to carry with lightweight steel that doesn't feel bulky. I like the rotating handle. It makes hanging over a fire simple. Boiling time is quick for its size. The lid stays secure even when pouring. The only downside is capacity. 1 liter is perfect for solo or 2 people, not groups. Still, for minimal campers, hikers, and backup emergency kits, it feels tough, reliable, and ready for real outdoor use. Number 1. Kettle Ultimate Base Camp Kit. The Kettle Ultimate Base Camp Kit is built for real outdoor cooking where fires are rough and weather changes fast. I've used it on group camping trips and hunting weekends, and it shines when you need hot water fast. The kettle boils a full batch in minutes using natural fuel burn, which means twigs and pine cones work just fine. No fuel canisters to pack. That alone is a huge win outdoors. It also handles wind and rain better than most gear thanks to storm-ready boil design. I like how everything packs inside the kettle for travel. It saves space in the truck. The whistle is loud enough to hear across camp. The downside is the weight. It's better for base camp than backpacking. Still, for families, fishing trips, or emergency kits, it feels dependable and tough. Final verdict. After testing these in real outdoor setups, I personally recommend the Kettle Ultimate Base Camp Kit as the best overall camping kettle. It stands out for speed, reliability, and its ability to boil large amounts of water using natural fuel. For group camping or base camps, it is hard to beat. If you want something smaller and easier to pack, the Fire Mample Antarcti portable 1-liter camping kettle is a smart pick. It works well for solo trips, backpacking, and quick campfire boils, while staying affordable and simple. Both serve different needs, and that matters outdoors. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the camping kettle that fits your style and need best.